Thombor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Umentri katanat kakot kakya uba el hang. Hakar pesantrik leber arjar puai ula Pynrem ya kejiksa Thombor juki Ngut ki Samla Khasi Kiba tray ha golfling Kiba day na wagaji Southwest Khasi District. Nakaliang muni umentri ula ong baka jala Meghalaya kadi bansange no ya kejing sengoy ya shun jat ben Riew. Ula ong ru bakom kini kejing ja Kiba ra ya kejing isi para Riew. Shushu ula ong bahabon kijing ja ngisem akim de kimat kibai de bakajai ben Riew. Hindai kiwan ra bon kijing kulmar hakani kijila basyong suk shongsan komta nakaliang uba hek ula Pynrem jur ya kini kijing sya Thombor baru kentu ya kibor kaan banwat ban pinstom ya ki kat kum kaan.
Don't bring a communal thing. This is between some personal problem or miscreant or anybody. It is their but anybody who's taking the law in their hand should be punished at any cost. Whoever may be involved in anything which is unlawful activities, it cannot be spared. Justice has to be prevailed. Khasi are beaten in Khasi or non-Khasi is beaten the Khasi. Okay. The rowdy character always will find everywhere, even in the family also. So this kind of people should not be spared. Finish.
But sir, do you think the people should come out from the culture of communalizing each and every incident? Because that is what we've been seeing over the time.
That is the main issue. The people, we should not communalize for any issues. It should not be communalized. There's nowhere the people are to do it, to go against to create a communalism. Hatred, communalism, it should not be a space on this earth. No space on this earth for communalism, hatred, and doing anything unlawful. It should not be allowed. Today, Darbar Snam conflict, except in the golf course. Tell me where there have not been installed these street lighting. Everywhere in golfing, you go in the golfing, except in the golf course. Golf course, because it is under somebody's private property, you have to take the permission before installations of the street lights. And the connectivity also is a question there. From where you will get, because now all the street light, all connectivity, if we talk about only the Himas also, one Himas, it has been connected from the MPRO office. The other Himas, we have 4 Himas. One Himas is connected from the Hawkers Market. Another Himas is connected from the Shillong Golf Club. The other Himas, where we have installed 4 Himas there, one Himas is connected from the Darbar Shillong office of the Darbar Shillong Golf Club.